Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do share this video with your friends and family, and if you want to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel, The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's take a look at the recipe. Take 1/4 cup warm water. Water should be warm and not hot. Remember that. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and stir it well. Now add 1 teaspoon active dry yeast and mix gently. So it's very important to use warm water. The hot water might kill the yeast and your yeast will not get activated properly. Now cover this and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Remember, if the yeast doesn't get activated properly, do not use it because that's not going to give you a nice bread. So you can see this one, this has become nice and frothy, just perfect. So here I've taken 1 cup गेहूं का आटा or wheat flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon chili flakes. Give everything a good mix. Now add the yeast mixture. Again, mix. So it's better you use your hand to knead it, it becomes easy. Now add 2 tablespoons water. So the dough should be sticky like this because as you keep on kneading it, it will become dry and everything will come together. Dry as in it will not be this sticky, and this will help form gluten. So you need to knead this dough this way for 15 minutes. Keep stretching it and you'll see the dough is not sticky anymore. So this is what we are looking for. Put it in a bowl, cover it with some oil, apply it so that the surface doesn't dry out. Now cover the dough and keep aside in a warm place till this dough rises and doubles. It might take 1 hour, 2 hours depending on the weather. Meanwhile, take 2 to 3 tablespoons butter. I'm using salted butter. It should be at room temperature. To this add 1 tablespoon crushed garlic and 2 tablespoons chopped coriander and mix everything well. And this is the reason we need the butter to be at room temperature. So this is done, keep it aside. Now our dough has risen and I'm going to deflate it and knead again for 1 to 2 minutes. Now sprinkle some wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा and you need to roll this like chapati or roti. But yes, it will be thicker than roti or chapati. So I'm going to use this pizza plate. This is I think 6.5 inch in diameter approximately. You can also use regular plate, but please avoid steel because steel tends to burn. Now apply the butter mixture which we had prepared. Spread it evenly all over. Here I have 100 gram mozzarella cheese and 1 cheese cube. So put this grated cheese, mozzarella cheese, and then you need to put it on one side because we will be folding this garlic bread into 2. So alternate layer of mozzarella and processed cheese. So put 1 layer and a little bit of processed cheese the way I am doing. And now put some boiled sweet corn. You can also put capsicum if you want, or mushroom, or if you would like to make it non-vegetarian, you can add chicken. Now I'm applying some water. You should apply water around the edges. That is the reason while applying butter, you should leave the edges. Otherwise, after applying butter, the water will not work. So this water is going to act as a adhesive. It will help us stick both the sides like this. So I'm just going to sprinkle some atta on the plate and very gently place this garlic bread. Now using a knife, I'm going to make sections or sticks on this garlic bread. So you don't need to cut it through, just on the upper layer. And again apply some more butter mixture. Sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes. You can also sprinkle this with some red chili powder. That will also taste nice and look good. If you want to bake this in OTG or convection, you should preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until it's done. Overbaking will give you a very hard bread, just remember that. So this is our homemade oven setup. This also was preheating at medium flame for 10 minutes, and yes, that's salt inside the kadhai. Now cover this and bake this at medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. You can check it after 10 minutes, and if it's not done, you can bake more. Again, in kadhai or pressure cooker baking also, if you bake for longer period, your bread will become hard. Now this is done. I'm going to apply some butter and our garlic bread is ready. Very gently I'm taking it out on a plate, and I'll just break one stick and show you how cheesy. Look at it, it looks so yummy, and yes, it tastes awesome, and it's made of गेहूं का आटा. And if you want to make it more healthy, you can reduce the amount of butter which we have put in, and also the cheese, but then there would be no fun in eating a garlic bread like that, right? Give this recipe a try and enjoy.